Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. You don't know the Dan is back in the lab. We're back in the lab. You don't know some mad reactions are gone. Yeah, man, people. And you see what we're doing today. We are back with Raw Cashh. Yeah, man. Last time we reacted to Raw Cashh, reacted to States Mad dope track. And we see, we got to put on to Raw Cashh. And we realize, say, yo, Raw Cashh a bad artist, and we're going to react to some more Raw Cashh. You see me? I say, now this one was actually requested by one of the Dan Mafia members. You know, yeah, man. Yeah, man, I gotta give you a shout out right now. He's been reacting to Stunner Family, been requesting this one. So shout out to you, gang. Yeah, man, say Talkatone next. Say yo, in this in my job some word for SKIPPA apparently. You see me? I say, yeah, man, say in this SKIPPA. Let me find it. Talkatone next. And shout out to Father Dark Music. You've been requesting this as well. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we're gonna check it out. Raw Cashh, apparently much was some word for SKIPPA, and this apparently him and SKIPPA beef. We don't know what I go on. We'll check it out. Listen what I go and see if you don't know what time it is, gang. We're not gonna hold over vibe much longer. Jump right in the track. Raw Cashh, Talkatone, let's get it.
Green freeze.
No, we no normal, brother. We no
Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? Man.
Jalian. Alpha them. Lucky. Brain freeze.
Man say crime peers. I want to go on. We'll land it.
Alpha them. Lucky. Brain freeze. China man. Dive.
Alright, come on.
Dive. Me dopey them hot, me coulda never panic. Me work at the pre, so me bury the chip. He carry them a sport for me leads by chip in me tone and fly in a be so quick. Check me out.
Oh, club, me dopey them hot, me coulda never panic. No cat. To me.
Me nah hide, my life still lavish. From me zelly them lift up, we a do the damn skull head that get shell out like white rice parade.
Boom, like rice parade. Come in.
She hear
what? Damn, Raw Cashh, go on.
that get shell out like white rice parade. She hear the tone say I no black man them. Check me out, me nah hide from them. Race this man, this dark crims them. Skull hear the charge as a David again.
For me, no one.
Hear the tone say I no black.
I like the flow, man. I like the flow.
Crims them. Skull hear the charge as a David again. She hear the tone say I no black man them. Check me out, me nah hide from them.
Yeah, the tone and say I no black man them. Check me out, me nah hide from them.
On the star crims them. Skull hear the charge as a David again. One mount a phone and lift up, not nice have his skull office up. Me put the beast pan it all and watch the road a lift up. Your gal a mukbang for real dog, she just a hit us. Me a bleach pan it food.
A mukbang, you hear that? Y'all muck hard, come in.
From eat me up, me grab a BOA account and just a JP it up. FedEx ship it card a easy reach ya. Not a scamming over music, you a fucking idiot. Say Bob
oh shit, not a scamming over music, you a fucking idiot. Oh, that's definitely a SKIPPA shot.
my pussy and I cap them a cap. The tone say I no black man.
Hold on, that's definitely a SKIPPA, bro. A SKIPPA alone says scamming over music. Come here.
Yeah, not a scamming over music, you a fucking idiot. Jaden say Bob them a pussy and I cap them a cap. The tone say I no black.
Jaden say Bob them up. Oh shit, and I cap them a cap. Wait. Alright, the scamming over music part definitely SKIPPA this. You see me and say the Jaden say Bob them a pussy them. Then I can go for SKIPPA and Nigeria them, you know. You see me and say Senegal hey, yo. Yo, shots definitely fired, gang. Oh, go on.
Me nah hide from them. Recipes pan the star crims them. Skull hear the charge as a David again. She hear the tone say I no black man them. Check me out, me nah hide from them.
Yeah, man, I definitely brawling SKIPPA and Nigeria them this that man.
Pan the star crims them. Skull hear the charge as a David again. Me run them file and me know who a monster. 411 Panny Leeds Alaska. God in a game pussy them a impact.
So me run the file and know who I monster them. You see me with people but all them really a jot thing.
Mount a go so me rise no Casper. And no music me live off a arts promoter. Big food when you no see me pan poster. Mount a card get take ask Scotia. Suck no mama on no rob left in media.
clean. Easy. This bad still in a dog. Yeah, man. Rock
Say I no black man them. Check me out, me nah hide from them. Race the beast on the star crims them. Skull hear the charge, I said they feed again. She hear the tone, say I no black man them. Check me out, me nah hide from them.
Oh, go on. Cash. Go on.
Race the beast on the star crims them. Skull hear the charge, I said they feed again.
States. Pussy talk facts. Yeah, that. Run my file, dog. You see me?
Jaja.
Crime pay with a cho-cho. Don't bright up on a sting self. David. Jillian. Tell them man, Pearl.
Dog is a new youth in the game still no rock cash. Nah, man. Dog is skipper, but rock cash just come. How long rock cash in the game? No, but skipper new in the game still. No. You see me? And it's rock shit. But to them new to the game still. Skipper, well, skipper not even a year good solidifying a game. No, come here. Yo, me are the first nigga react to skipper on YouTube. Me can put that down on the facts. You see me? I say, yeah, man. But damn, shit, dog. Skipper relatively new too. You know, skipper. I don't think skipper reach a year in the game fully. This year, I make skipper fully in a game a year. Rakash just a come do and dog this skipper already, dog. Jeez and peace. Scammer them out,
push panel and charge and bookings. Yeah, that. States, mad. No time up, pussy. A states time. But them what?
It's mad.
Wash up and turn down. Old Kingston as a states daddy. Mobby. Yeah, dog.
That's a states of him thing.
50. Room in a head to if a badness. Yeah, that.
Room in a head. So that this skipper for your race. Dog want the attention. Yo, that no man do. But skipper. Yo, go on, me G. You know, so rock with skipper over here. Enough skipper will rock to, you know, me G. Bomba. The man I say, man, skipper, the man are real. Bomba. Scammer, the man are real. They not do nothing for real. Bomba. Man say, yo, you talk about scamming when you say I eat that. And every baba pussy them. Bomba. Yo. Go on. War of the blood, please, scammer. War of the choppers. Easy. Yeah, man, I like it. The song I'm mad still do. I like your vibe. Big up to Bomba Cash. You see me and say Bomba sending shot at Skipper. And the bad part, I'm sending not only to Skipper but also to Nigeria. Cause Nigeria say Bob too, you know. You see me and say? Damn, that's crazy, dog. Bomba. This mad Skipper, where I do I look out. You see me? Where I do I look out. You see me when I look out for reply, see what I go on. You see me and say me could know. You see me? Skipper a bad artist and real skipper, but Rakash up and coming. See what dog I do it. Rakash new to the game, you know, dog. Rakash, you know, only at 48k subs right now. 50k sub. Gonna be climbing right now, especially if they're going to have a little feud. Things soon coming up. So Rakash and Skipper, we can really take advantage of this, you know. But a new and yeah, up and coming youth them a clash. Come on, yo, Skipper, Rakash, you can capitalize on this, me I tell you no. Don't take it to the street, keep it on the studio. And you can hold off from summer, go straight to the summer. Me I tell you no, I want God's thing, me I tell you no. Just listen. If you don't watch this, just listen to me. I tell you. You see me I say, no jokes. Yeah man gang, I don't know one thing about this, you see me? Yeah man, this could be crazy man. I want to see if Skipper reply that. I want to see if Skipper say that. Cause this could be a mad clash. Me like this. You see what I say? We just start listening to Rakash, cause we listen to States Mad. You see me? And we listen more to and we look out. We just say we look out for Rakash and Sue Mad. You see me? I say? And look at now. Bombat. Yeah man. Skipper. I'll wait out for your reply. Yo, me say tell you this. If you do this thing right, bro, you can lock off all last summer. Go straight to December. Don't listen to nobody. I tell you, don't clash. All this thing. Just keep in the studio. Don't take it. I can make money. I can rise. I tell you, that you done bad artists already, you know. Skipper, you done bad artists already, you know. You see me, I solidify yourself, you know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and Rakash, I come up and Rakash talented too. You see me, I say so, yo. That's how the maneuver and use this thing. You see me? But people who know anything about the one in the comment section, drop no comments. Let me know what you feel part. Like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Me, you know, so Jambisco. So, yo, just look out. Look out if you see if you skip the one and see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we're there, man. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Don't know. I'm out.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.